So today I'm going to share my review comments on one of the book which is written by Daniel Goleman. So Daniel Goleman is one American psychologist who worked with the top newspapers in US. So this book talks about why your EQ basically emotional quotient is as equally important as your IQ. So if you know, since our childhood, we have given importance to our IQ also. We think that our success in life or how happy we are in relations that depends upon our IQ, but it's not actually the same. So a lot of research is done by Daniel Goleman on this, and he summarized this in the book, this emotional intelligence. So have this is not the only book he had written on this on emotional intelligence, but a lot of other books also written. So we're covering this only. This is a long book. Basically it's not possible to cover every content in a single video, so we will make different videos for this. I'm going to cover first part in this. The first part, that is the emotional brain. So in this part, basically it talks about how we react in different situations. So whether we are in love, whether we are in fear, whether in anger. So basis this, our body also reacts. Suppose if you are in anger, so your uh, your blood flow to the your muscles, your limbs, that will increase, and definitely, so our body go in different shape. Similarly, if you are in compassion or in love with someone, so our body will behave in different in different manner. So this part also talks about the rational mind and the emotional mind. So rational mind, which is related mostly to the brain, and if you talk about our second, that the emotional mind, that is that about that talks more about your heart. If you talk about if you are more if you are more rational, definitely you will be more logical, and uh, if you are a kind of emotional person, definitely you will think with your heart. So ultimately, your personality or how you react in different situations is a combination of both emotional as well as rational minds. Which one dominates in you? So there is second chapter in this portion, which is the emotional hijacking. So in this chapter, explained about our brain's anatomy also, how our brain is designed, or what are the different parts of the brain. So we are not going much into that, but definitely we will cover in brief. So any of the signal or whatever we see in eye that goes to our brain. So there is a part in brain that is thalamus. From thalamus, that signal goes to the cortex, and at the same time, there is one more organ, that is amygdala. Amygdala is basically element-shaped small portion which is responsible for our emotional behavior, how you react in any emotional situation. So if you are in any emotional situations, like something you lost something, you are in if you are in any kind of situation where you are feeling bad, so in that, what happens, your signal definitely goes faster to your emotional center, that is amygdala, and that dominates your logical, that is logical part, and you feel emotional. So this talks about this is the main part of this portion, and different kind of stories also explained in there is a story in this where two parents are there, and they have one daughter who is suffered from a disease, basically the kind of disease from there it's not possible to recover, and something happened, or some uh, so when they are going to the through the train, and their train met with an accident, and there is a possibility that water could enter inside the train. So anyhow, they both husband and wife, and that they managed to push that girl uh, who is suffered with the cerebral palsy to outside, and saved their life, and they both parents sacrificed their life. So this I talked about the talks about the emotions, how our emotions are uh, very very dominant on us. And this book talks about the different aspects of this, and I will cover in coming videos on this. Thank you.